We all want to be healthy and strong and thin and beautiful too. We know that greens contribute to a healthy, happy body, and yet we don't always like the way they taste. Ugh. This happened to me years ago. Even a vegan diet and never touched a salad. Yuck, I thought. And that all changed when I learned how to make really delicious salads. Like this delicious kale salad. For today, I have some tips for you over the next 4 weeks how we're going to take kale, whether you like to use dino kale, which is a more flatter surfaced, more bumpy kale, or the kinky kale, which is very curly and is great for holding on to a lot of dressings or when we make kale chips. So they're both delicious and good for you. This one tends to give you a little bit of gas, and this one doesn't. So you choose whichever green it is. We're going to make these greens taste good. So stay tuned for this kinky kale salad recipe, which is sweet and spicy like you, honey. First, you want to take 2 oranges and peel them or cut off the skin and chop them up and put them in the blender. About 6 dates, a half a cup of raisins for the sweetness. You want to add a little bit of lemon juice in there, a half of a lemon juice, 1 celery stalk in there for that saltiness, and then either a 1/4 to a half of an avocado. I have a small avocado, some salt, and cayenne pepper. That's what makes it spicy, so add as much as you want. And then you're going to blend this up until it's nice and creamy. Oh, it is so delicious on the kale. You can hardly tell there's kale there. But this dressing only works best on kinky kale or the dino kale, which is the flat kale. I've tried it on other lettuces and it just doesn't taste the same. So to massage it, to get the bitterness out of the greens, you add a half of an orange squeezed on top and a half of an avocado, or you can use oil and some salt. And then this is where it gets really fun. So what you want to do is you want to mash this up in with your hands like you're massaging the greens. And then I heard that you get it digests better when you do that because your DNA is on it. Who knows if that's true? Then you're going to top it off with the dressing and just mix it in there until it's nice and mixed in really well. Now you're going to add some salad ingredients. I love using red onion. It looks really beautiful in here, along with some cherry tomatoes cut up and some bell peppers. You can add cucumber. Really, you can throw any veggies you like. The salad is so amazing. Delicious and hearty, and you don't even taste the greens in there except for that nice crunch that you get in your mouth. Your body is going to love it. Your friends are going to love it. Your family is going to love it. You're going to be the master food artist, the hero in this holiday season, helping others get more greens in their diet, just like you. So feel free to share this video with your friends because we don't want to be the only ones with healthy bodies, right? We want to live long together. And please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, because next week we're going to make kinky kale chips. Or, well, kale chips. I'm on this kinky phase. Until next time, remember, I loves you. This is really good.